welcome back to Creative Corner, where art is life. My name is Terry Ann, and I'm happy that you're here with me today. Today we will be unboxing my January and February Boxycharm boxes. If you are not aware of Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that gives you full-size products for a flat fee. There are 3 different size boxes. There is the base box, the premium box, and also the luxe box. The one that I have is the base box, which is $27.99 per month, and you do get 5 full-size products in there, and it is worth over $200. Okay, for the other 2 boxes, I'll put a link down below that tells you the prices for those other 2 boxes, and also the link to Boxycharm, so if you want to take a look and check that out. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and also leave a comment. I answer everyone, and I would love to hear from you guys and tell me what you think. All right, let's go ahead and see what we got. So we do have 2, so let's just go ahead and get into that, okay? All right, so the first one, this one, I think this one's my January one. You do get it packaged like this when it comes in the mail, and this is what it looks like. And you also get a little leaflet here that tells you what you got and also how much it cost. All right, let's go ahead. This is the alley hoop. You can see that. This is the alley hoop multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. This retails for $28. This brush comes with, it's a powder contour brush, a blending sponge, a medium shadow brush, and an angled brow and liner brush. All right, this is what it looks like. You do have the sponge end here, that angle section here. You twist it and you get that in there, and then also the other end. All right, this is the first thing we have. Back in the box. And the next thing we have in here is the Yensa Color Plus Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This is what it looks like. Let's take a look. And this retails for $35. It doesn't feel silicone-y in my hand, but it does leave like a slightly white cast on there. So I'm hoping that once you put makeup over it, it doesn't show, but definitely this is what it looks like. The next thing in here is the Yuzu Saturday Skin Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. This retails for $32, and this is a vitamin C eye cream, and this is what it looks like. Top. Doesn't smell like anything. It's very creamy. It's very thick. Very, very thick. Like, you have to, I'm hoping that it's just cold. And the next thing we have is the Stila Extreme Lash Mascara. This retails for $23. It is black. Actually, I think this is my February box that I'm opening. I think this is my February box. Sorry guys, this is February. Yes, because it does say that right here. Yeah, Didn't realize that. Yes, this is my February box. Okay, this is what the applicator looks like. Okay. All right, it is a nice and black. Okay, and our last but certainly not least, we do have the Estate Cosmetic Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner. This is also in the color black, and this retails for $12. Get out of here. This to the tip. There we go. Okay, and that is all that we have in this box. So we'll go ahead and move on to our excuse me, our January box. Okay. So again, that's what it looks like. This is how it's shipped. So get in there. That. So the first thing we have in here, I have the Rigon Beauty lip job liner and sharpener. This is about it. Looks like. It's upside down. And this retails for $18. It is. Sure you can see that. And that's what it looks like. Alright, that is that one. And the next thing we have is the Dermalic Cosmetics Revital Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector, and this retails for $59. Okay, there we go. What the packaging looks like. Here. All right. The other thing we have in here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pro Pomade and the 7B Dual-Ended Angle Brush. And this pomade comes in the shade Granite. It is black. This brush. We do have the spoolie in one end and the angle brush on the other. There we go. Right. All right. So the next thing we do have in here, I did open this. It is the Item Beauty by Addison Rae. It's the Lip Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil. This retails for $14. To see what it looks like, and this is in the shade Come Through. I think it comes on. It doesn't have a tint, it's just a lip oil. Okay. And if I didn't tell you, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pro and the brush, that retails for $39. Okay. And the last, but certainly not least, thing that we have in here is the Wonder Beauty Wondrous Escape Eyeshadow Palette, and this retails for $42. You do get a nice mirror there. So, and there you go. You do get 6 shimmers and 4 matte shades. I do like the color story on this one. It is very pretty. I do love the color story on this one. Definitely have to work with this one and see what the colors I can get out of it when I do my makeup. Alright, and that is everything I had in this box. So again, I want to thank you guys for sticking with me till the end. Again, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit subscribe and look out for more content. I do have more boxes coming up, more mystery boxes coming up. So just go ahead and hit that notification button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.